We're at 405 Schubert Drive, Unit A, entering into the front door here. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit located just off of Davis Highway. We're standing by the front door here. We have carpeting throughout the main living areas and then tile in the kitchen and the bathrooms. Here's that kitchen space. Through our door there, we have our back patio, which has our laundry closet. Here is that living room again. Now we'll go outside in just a minute, but first we're gonna go down the short hallway. So our first right, we're gonna be passing a linen closet, and then we have our bathroom. So good shower tub combo, new vanity, new toilet. Coming back out, here's our first bedroom. So this is on the back side of the unit. Again, carpeting throughout. There is some built-in storage in the closets, so you do have that. And then on the front side of the unit is our second bedroom. So this is on the road side facing Schubert Drive. Heading back out, we'll go back through our living area, through our kitchen, and we'll go into the back. So off the back patio is shared space, but we do have a covered patio area, and then we have our laundry room through that door there. Going back inside, again, this is 405 Schubert Drive, Unit A, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.